Namaskar, my dear students. CBSE IT 402 Class 10. Unit 2 Electronic Spreadsheet Advanced Learning Outcome 3 Share and Review a Spreadsheet. This was pending and I was waiting for a revised syllabus, and CBSE has published that revised syllabus. So in this video I will explain Learning Outcome 3 Share and Review a Spreadsheet. So in this video you will get how to setting up spreadsheet for sharing, open and save a shared spreadsheet, add, edit, format the comments, and review changes, view, accept, and reject the changes. So these topics I will cover. I welcome you all on my channel Tutorial AICS IP. Myself Sanjay Parmar. Let me begin this session. So first of all, let me think about share and review. So first is share. Share means what? In offices and in workplace, we are saving our files on computers. Now basically these computers are connected to a network. So sometimes what happens, many people want to work on the same file. So some subordinates are there, some of the similar officers are there, or some person which is working with the same profile on which you are working. So that time that person also needs to work on the same file. So in this case you need to share your file with more than one person at a time. So more than one person at a time can work on a worksheet or spreadsheet. So for that reason they have given the option share spreadsheets. So let me begin how to set up your worksheet for sharing. So it is very simple. Let me open Excel first. So I have opened MS Excel here. Let me select one worksheet. So this is my worksheet. Now I want to do work with this sharing. So what I have to do? So first you have to click on this review tab. So in review tab you will get the option for share workbook. So click on this. Basically some of the files whenever you are working, it's showing some message like this. So let me open a file which is available in my computer. Okay, my documents, my worksheet. Suppose this is ATT, some attendance file I have created. Now this file is there. It is opening directly, not shared. Okay, let me try some others which is coming under shared, because we need the shared worksheet. So let on, if any available, then I will show you which message is coming there. Suppose, let me here, in which folder it will be there. Okay, suppose timetable, exam, and this, it is also not shared. It is showing one message, enable editing or something like that, when we are sharing that file. Okay, one more worksheet I am opening here. Here it is showing update, that is for due to that link only. So it is also not shared. Okay, leave it. I will show you on this file only. So first of all you have to click on share workbook. So here it is showing editing. So first option you have to set for editing. Allow changes by more than one user at the same time. This allows also workbook merging. So when you open this, it allows you to merge the workbook when more than one person is working on the same file. So just click on this. So it allows more than one user. Now one user is already available here. Click on advanced. This option is showing that keep change history for 30 days. Means change history. If somebody is changing, if you want to keep their history, you can pick days. How many days you want to keep the changes. Update changes when file is saved. When your changes will be updated. So when user save the file, that time that will be saved. Conflicting changes between users. Ask me which changes win. Okay, so that time it will ask. Print settings, filter settings. So like that you can select the different options and click on OK. So when you click on OK, it will ask to save you. So just ask you to save the file. Save it. I am saving here sharing. Okay, sharing, save. So now my file is available for sharing. So I have just typed something and just I am closing it. So when I have closed my file, something I have written. Now, let me open that. Sharing. So here it's opened. Now, review. This is the settings for sharing. Only this much you have to do. So now anybody can write on this file. Now review. Review means what? Whenever you are working with file, you need to review some changes. Some people have done the changes. How you will know that? In this file, a person has done a change. So from this option, you can know that one. So how? Let me try something. I have typed this. Then I have typed here. So basically when I have started the work, I have typed these words only. After that somebody has written this, somebody has written this. How I know that a person is making a changes in my file? So for that this option is given, track changes. Just click on this option, highlight changes. So here it is showing that when, who, where. So when means when someone has changes. So that changes you want to highlight, you can select when I last saved. Means since I last saved, first option. All changes whatever people have done. Then not yet reviewed, whatever not reviewed, or since date. So these options are there. You can select any. So default is since I last saved, means whatever I have saved last, that I want to review. Then who, so you can click everyone. So means every user. Whatever changes every user is making, that will be highlighted. And where to where. If you want to select particular data range, then you can select data range. Suppose up to this. Then highlight changes on screen, list changes on a new sheet. So whatever you want, if you want these changes should go to new sheet, then you can click this option. Otherwise, leave it. So now you can see whatever I have saved, that is not highlighted. But this is highlighted with blue border cell. See, here you can see this blue border cell is coming. So this is called highlight changes. Now how to review this one? So for review, you need to click accept or reject changes button. So before that, let me show you this thing. Open and save we have done already. Now add, edit, format the command. So first this we will do. So suppose somebody has done the change. Now some user has done this thing. Let me assume. Now he want to do something or he want to write comment that he has done this. So here he will write something added by UTCL. This user is there, UTCL. So that comment is entered. So in this manner, user can write comment. Just pick your cell data, then see. Automatically comment is displaying, change E5 to blank. So that changes is displayed. If you want to write your own comment, you can pick select comment and then you can write added by UTCL. So when the user is opening that file, he will review this comment. When he click on comment, also all comments will be displayed in this manner. So that comment you can just change the position so you can view the comment properly. So like this. This comment is for this cell. This comment is for this cell. So like this you can add and review the comment. Now if you want to edit, you can edit directly by double clicking on that, and review. You can review by using this option, show all comments, and show ink, that will be displaying this red or blue color ink what is available. So like that. Now if you want to delete the comment, simply click on this and delete option is available here, delete. Similarly, delete. Now you have changed the review and you want to accept the changes. So go to track changes and click on accept or reject changes. Then this action will now save the workbook. Do you want to continue? That message is provided by MS Excel. Click on OK and it will display again the same thing. Click on OK. Where you want to allow the changes, it will select one by one. Whatever changes you want to accept, click on accept. If you want to reject some, click on reject. If you want to accept all, click on accept all. So all changes will be accepted and that blue border color will be disappear. So this is the sharing and review option for your worksheet. Now view, accept and reject changes, that point is completed. Now in next worksheet, I will show you how to protect this worksheet with password. So nobody can change except those who knows the password. In Three Idiots movie, you have seen that Amir Khan has done that thing, chamatkar to balatkar. So that's not possible if you give this protection, means changes. So anybody change that, it will automatically highlight in your worksheet. So that I will provide that video in next session. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. And if you are enjoying my videos, enjoying the learnings, please hit the like button and share video with your friends and classmates. And if you are watching my video first time, you came to my channel first time, press the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon to get notified. So keep watching, keep learning. We will meet in next video. Thank you very much for watching the video.